All characters and events in this spin-off series are entirely fictional. The following program might have some based on trolls, and due to its content, it should be viewed by anyone except spammers.
Splendid engine, everybody knows, but he does go on and on and on, always telling us so. He is a splendid fellow, but he really is quite vain. Who do we mean? You got it! James! He's a really splendid engine with a bright red coat. He can brag all day, how fast he goes, how good he looks, he's such a pose. But what about the time he got covered in mud? Oh, what a dope, what a dud. But up and down the line, you hear the others say, despite his vanity, he really is okay. Dependable, reliable, and seldom late. We all think James is great. Speeding down the line like a lightning flash, make way for James, hooray for James. Hang on to your hat as he whooshes past, make way for James, hooray for James. He really knows how to stage a show. You gotta stand back and watch him go. He's a real splendid engine with a bright red coat.
That's James.